Okay, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to clean your fuel injectors. So just get yourself, let's see if I can move this out, sorry about that. Get yourself a can of carb cleaner, carbon choke cleaner. That's what I got. I actually had a coupon at AutoZone where I got it for free. Then you want to get basically it's a tire valve and then you remove the Schrader valve that's inside of it. So this is just actually, in fact, I can unscrew it. This is just the tire valve, and I saw this on another YouTube channel. If you search for it, I'm sure you'll see it. So credit to him for coming up with it. But yeah, you can see that there's no valve in there. And then the thing that I did different was I added this little hose clamp, because otherwise it'll pop off your injector. So here's a standard Bosch type of injector. Ford also used some of these. And the thing you have to do is you got to take off the top O-ring that just peels right off. And then this guy will snap right on there. And then I just snug up the clamp just a little bit, just so that it won't pop off. It's okay if it's a little cockeyed, but that just gives it a little bit of extra pressure so it won't come off. Now, the other thing that we did is, you can see here, I took the tire valve cap and then just drilled a tiny little bit of hole, or a tiny hole, and then I put a little RTV on there, black RTV, and then slipped it on here. Actually, I slipped it on, then put the RTV on. That'll help prevent leaks. So then all that does is that just screws onto this whole assembly. Now, when you're swapping between injectors, you don't have to unscrew this. This will just pop right off here, and then you leave this all screwed together. The next thing that you need, now this is this injector runs off at 12 volts, so we can use a 12-volt battery supply, which I have over here. I've got just a jump pack, and I can modulate it by turning it off and on right here. So what we do is we hook up the leads, and if you look at the injector, you'll see one side has a plus sign. I assume that's where the positive goes, so that's what I'm going with. So in this particular case, I'm using, yeah, it goes like this. White is on the left, and yeah, maybe you can see that there's a little plus sign right here. Anyway, that's how I've got it set up. Now all we have to do is press on the button here to pressurize the system, and then turn the battery on and off rapidly. You don't want to leave the battery on because you might burn out the solenoid or the piezo electric thingamajobber inside the injector. See, I'm a real technical guy. Here we go. And occasionally you get a little blowout here and there. Not a big deal. But you could see how it was spraying. That cleans it out. And it also gives you a chance to see what the spray pattern looks like, see if you got any issues or not. So that's how you can clean out your injectors. Hope you like it.